So let's get started. Question 1. What is the meaning of euphoria? Extreme happiness, deep sadness, boredom, or confusion? Extreme happiness. Question number 2. What does the word benevolent mean? Generous and kind, hostile and aggressive, uninterested, or ignorant? Generous and kind. Question 3. What does the word ambiguous mean? Clear and definite, open to more than one interpretation, well organized, or predictable? Open to more than one interpretation. Question 4. The word melancholy refers to a feeling of deep sadness, a joyful celebration, a state of anger, or a sense of confusion? Answer A. Question 5. What does elusive mean? Hard to understand or capture, very common and obvious, easily found or identified, weak and fragile? Answer A. Question 6. The word pragmatic means practical and realistic, idealistic and dreamy, reckless and careless, theoretical and abstract. The answer is A. Question 7. What does the word ephemeral mean? Lasting for a very short time, never ending, permanent and unchanging, or extremely important? The answer A. Question 8. The meaning of ostentatious is humble and modest, showy and extravagant, quiet and reserved, or simple and plain? Answer B. Question 9. What does obsolete mean? No longer in use, very modern, extremely valuable, or newly discovered? The answer is A. Question 10. The word meticulous refers to careful and precise, careless and clumsy, quick and efficient, or lazy and indifferent? Answer A. 11. What does the word cogent mean? Irrelevant, weak, clear, logical, and convincing, or vague? Answer C. Clear. Question 12. The word arduous mean easy, exhausting and difficult, simple and effortless, or light-hearted? Answer B. Question 13. What does the word placid mean? Angry and upset, calm and peaceful, busy and noisy, or restless and chaotic? Answer B. Calm and peaceful. 14. What is the meaning of conspicuous? Hard to find, hidden from view, easily seen or noticed, or slightly visible? Answer C. Thanks for watching.